Gustar with nouns. Make sure you've got your notes packet out and you're turned to the page that says Gustar with nouns. You're gonna need a pen or pencil. We've already learned how to use gustar with verbs to say what you like to do. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? If you want to use gustar to talk about things that you like, you have to conjugate the verb to correspond with the thing that is pleasing to you, the thing that you like, whether it is singular or plural. So parts of what we learned before are going to be the same, and we're going to add a little bit more to what you already know about gustar. So the different forms of gustar, which again means to like or to be pleasing to. We have a mí me gusta or a mí me gustan. So with this, if I was talking about one thing that I liked, I would say a mí me gusta el pan. I like bread. But if I wanted to talk about more than one thing, then I would say me gustan. So I would say a mí me gustan el pan y la jalea. The other forms then would be a ti te gusta or te gustan, a él, a ella, a usted, le gusta or le gustan, a nosotros, nos gusta, a vosotros, os gusta, and a ellos, ellas, or ustedes, les gusta or les gustan. Make sure you add these to your chart. Go ahead and pause if you need more time. Okay, so when you're looking at sentences in Spanish, it might actually help you to read it backwards to make sure that you've got it filled out the right way. So with a mí me gustan los huevos. If you take that and you say it backwards, los huevos gustan, then you know that you've got it right because huevos is plural, so gustan also needs to be plural. At the next example, we've got a Julia y Carlos les gusta la leche. So milk is pleasing to them, to Julia and Carlos. So la leche and gusta is what we've got. So leche is singular and gusta is singular, so they agree. Okay, now underneath that section, there are a couple of sentences that I would like you to practice with. You want to translate them to English if they're written in Spanish, and if they're in Spanish, you'll want to translate them to English. So the first one is, a ti no te gustan las manzanas. The second one is, a nosotros nos gusta la hamburguesa. Third one is, ¿qué te gusta hacer? Number 4 is, Paco and Pepe like soup. Number 5 is, I like grapes. Number 6 is, we don't like to drink coffee. And number 7 is, they like soup for lunch. Go ahead and try to do these the best that you can before you leave today. Once you have finished them, if you look under the 3.1 folder and then in the Gustar folder, you will see the link to the PowerPoint that has the answers included, so you can check how you did.